In this video, I'll show you how to fix a declined Wise transfer. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into Wise and review the transfer status in your activity. Look for messages explaining the decline. Step 2. Confirm recipient details. Verify recipient's name, account number, IBAN, and SWIFT BIC code are all correctly entered. Step 3. Ensure sufficient funds. Make sure your Wise balance or linked payment method has enough funds to cover the transfer and fees. Step 4. Check transfer limits and restrictions. Review if the transfer amount exceeds Wise or recipient bank limits or if there are currency restrictions. Step 5. Provide additional verification. Submit any requested identification or documentation promptly if Wise contacts you for compliance checks. Step 6. Try an alternative payment method. If card payments fail, try bank transfer or vice versa to pay for your transfer. Step 7. Contact Wise support. If the issue persists, contact Wise support with your transfer reference number for personalized assistance. Now I have some tips for you to avoid declines. Double check all recipient information before sending. Keep your Wise account verified to avoid delays. Monitor emails from Wise for any requests or alerts. And that's how you fix your transfer decline. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you found this video helpful.